Hey there, food enthusiasts! Get ready for a mouth-watering video that'll have your taste buds dancing and your wallet thanking you. Today, we're diving into the world of luxurious and expensive culinary creations by recreating famous celebrity chefs' recipes on a budget. Don't worry, we're not breaking the bank here. We are going to show you how to recreate these dishes at a fraction of the cost, with some clever cost-saving hacks and ingredient substitutions. So let's get cooking. Number 4. Chef Gordon Ramsay. First up on our culinary adventure is a recipe from the most famous chef in the world, Gordon Ramsay. Known for his lavish creations, we're tackling his famous beef Wellington. Now traditionally, this dish calls for a tender cut of beef, puff pastry, and a whole lot of butter. But we're putting a thrifty twist on it. Instead of splurging on an expensive cut of beef, we're going for a more budget-friendly option, like this sirloin steak. It may require a little extra tenderizing, but trust me, it will be just as delicious. To save on the puff pastry, we can make our own using simple ingredients like flour, butter, and water. It's easier than you think. And here's a little secret. Instead of using truffles, which can be quite expensive, we'll be adding a touch of truffle oil to give it that luxurious flavor without breaking the bank. It's all about those cost-saving hacks, my friends. Number 3. Chef Jamie Oliver. Now, onto our next celebrity chef creation. We're taking on Chef Jamie Oliver's decadent lobster risotto. Lobster, as you know, can be quite pricey, but fear not, we have a wallet-friendly alternative. We're substituting lobster with these succulent frozen shrimp. They're much more affordable and still deliver that incredible seafood flavor. In Jamie Oliver's recipe, he uses a special saffron-infused broth to enhance the risotto. Saffron can be quite expensive, but we have a money-saving trick up our sleeves. Turmeric powder. It not only gives a vibrant yellow color similar to saffron, but also adds a lovely earthy flavor. You won't even notice the difference, and your wallet will thank you. Number 2. Chef Elena Regadas. Our second last celebrity chef on the menu is the brilliant Elena Regadas. Known for her exquisite and innovative Mexican cuisine, we're going to dive into her delectable recipe for enchiladas. Traditionally, this dish calls for expensive ingredients like specialty Mexican chocolate and various spices. But we're going to show you how to achieve that rich flavor on a budget. Instead of using specialty Mexican chocolate, you can use good quality dark chocolate with a high cocoa content. It provides that wonderful richness and depth of flavor without the hefty price tag. Just make sure to choose a chocolate with a hint of bitterness to balance the dish. Now let's move on to the MOA lei sauce. Elena's recipe uses a blend of spices that can be quite expensive. But we have a fantastic hack to create a flavorful mole sauce without breaking the bank. You can use pre-made MOA lei sauce, readily available in most grocery stores. Look for a brand that uses authentic ingredients and has a good balance of flavors. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to achieve that delicious MOA lei taste in a fraction of the time. Number 1. Chef Wolfgang Puck. Our last celebrity chef on the menu is the legendary Wolfgang Puck. Known for his exquisite creations, we're going to tackle his signature dish, grilled salmon with lemon dill sauce. This dish is usually prepared with premium ingredients, but we're going to make it more budget-friendly without compromising on taste. Instead of opting for wild-caught salmon, which can be quite expensive, you can choose a more affordable option like farm-raised salmon. It still provides that delicious and tender texture while being more budget-friendly. Now let's talk about the lemon dill sauce. Traditional recipes call for heavy cream and fresh dill, which can add up in cost. But fear not, we have a wonderful substitute that won't break the bank. Instead of heavy cream, you can use Greek yogurt. It provides a creamy and tangy element to the sauce, similar to the original recipe. And for the dill, you can use dried dill flakes. They are much more affordable and still deliver that herbaceous flavor. So go ahead, give them a try, and let your taste buds be dazzled. Remember, good food doesn't have to be expensive. That's all for recreating famous celebrity chefs' recipes on a budget. Which was your favorite recipe that you would like to try out? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more food fresh facts. Thanks for watching.